Blocky versus AdGuard Home. Choosing the right network ad blocker can transform your online experience by blocking unwanted ads without slowing down your network. Both offer powerful ad blocking but differ in setup and features. Blocky and AdGuard Home are popular network-level ad blockers designed to protect your entire network from ads and trackers. The core difference lies in their architecture. Blocky focuses on simplicity and DNS-based blocking, while AdGuard Home offers a more comprehensive filtering system with advanced customization. Blocky is an open-source DNS-based network ad blocker that works by intercepting DNS requests and blocking domains known for serving ads and trackers. It operates as a lightweight DNS server that you configure as your network's DNS resolver. When a device requests an ad domain, Blocky returns a null response, effectively blocking the ad before it reaches your device. Its strengths include easy installation, minimal resource usage, and straightforward DNS-level blocking that doesn't require client-side software. Blocky is ideal for users who want a simple, efficient ad blocker that works across all devices on their network without complicated setup. However, its limitations include fewer built-in filtering features compared to more advanced solutions, and it may require manual updates or integration with external block lists to stay current. It's best suited for users comfortable with basic network configuration who want a no-frills, resource-friendly ad blocking solution. AdGuard Home is a full-featured network-wide ad blocker that combines DNS filtering with advanced content filtering capabilities. It acts as a DNS server for your network, blocking ads, trackers, and malicious domains before they reach your devices. Beyond DNS blocking, AdGuard Home offers customizable filtering rules, parental controls, and detailed statistics on blocked requests. It supports multiple block lists and allows granular control over filtering behavior. Installation is straightforward with user-friendly web interfaces for management and monitoring. AdGuard Home's strengths include its rich feature set, active development, and strong community support. It can also block ads in apps and browsers without additional software. However, its more extensive features demand more system resources and a slightly steeper learning curve. Ideal users are those who want a powerful, customizable ad blocker with comprehensive control over network traffic and filtering, suitable for home or small business networks. Blocky and AdGuard Home both block ads at the network level but cater to different needs. Blocky excels in simplicity, using DNS filtering with low resource consumption, making it perfect for users seeking a lightweight set-and-forget solution. AdGuard Home, on the other hand, offers a broader range of features including parental controls, detailed analytics, and customizable filtering, which is ideal for users wanting deeper control and insight into their network's traffic. In real-world use, Blocky is quick to deploy and efficient on minimal hardware, while AdGuard Home requires more setup but delivers a richer experience. The trade-off is between ease of use and advanced functionality. If you want basic ad blocking with minimal fuss, Blocky is the way to go. For a robust, all-in-one filtering system with more options, AdGuard Home stands out. Choose Blocky if you prefer a lightweight, DNS-based ad blocker that's easy to configure and runs efficiently on minimal hardware with straightforward network-wide protection. Opt for AdGuard Home if you need a powerful, customizable ad blocker with advanced filtering, parental controls, and detailed statistics. It's the best choice for users wanting comprehensive control over their network's ad filtering and security. Both are excellent, but your needs will guide the best fit.